Welcome to Sweden Biologics Manufacturing Center, SBC, at AstraZeneca in Södertälje. Here we produce innovative biological medicines for people all around the world. Biopharmaceuticals are complex molecules that are too large to create chemically. Instead, they are produced from live organisms. Scientists simply program bacteria and other living organisms to produce the target molecule, or the actual medicine, using recombinant DNA technology. This innovative technique has changed the development of medicine and made it possible to treat complex diseases, including various types of cancers and autoimmune disorders. In AstraZeneca, around 50% of our R&D pipeline projects are biologics. And here at SBC, we often work with monoclonal antibodies, which are similar to the antibodies produced by our own immune system. The drug substance arrives in frozen form or as a chilled solution, since the molecules are sensitive to heat. The next step is the thawing and then the dispensing of excipients, bulking agents that have been developed alongside the solution. After that comes the formulation of the solution, which will be put into syringes or vials. The filling is performed in a sterile environment under strict control. We use so-called isolated technology for the filling process, which means that all open handling of the product takes place in a contained environment. Our process operators perform all interventions inside the isolator through insulator gloves. In this way, the product never comes into direct contact with people or the open air. When the syringes and vials are filled and sealed, it is time for visual inspection, assembly, and packing. We inspect every one of the vials and syringes before proceeding to the next step. Another important part of drug manufacturing is quality control. Each process step is checked and documented in a quality laboratory. After this process, we store the medicines in our large cold room, where they are ready to be picked and transported to destinations all over the world. Here, we have the utmost respect for our people, and we believe this is a place where speaking up, innovation, and quality are all natural to our ways of working. We work according to the lean philosophy with clear, inspiring leadership and visual planning, and we are always striving for improvement. We even have our very own academy for our employees' talent and personal development. Sustainability is at the heart of all we do, and we are passionate about our work to help our patients, people, and planet. Our employees come from a variety of different backgrounds, with the majority working in our production and lab units. They are trained in process technology, natural sciences, and microbiology. This kind of high-tech production requires close collaboration with process developers, engineers, planning, procurement, finance, and HR. A healthy mix of assignments and continuous learning from brilliant minds is the norm. Everything we do always leads back to why we get up in the morning: to deliver life-changing medicines to patients. To find out more, please visit AstraZeneca.com.